Poor project planning is one of the most important reasons why ERP projects and digital transformations fail. What do I mean by that? Well, let's look at when a software vendor gets involved with a client. They come in, they give a proposal that's usually based on overly optimistic assumptions. It's based on ideal state scenarios that never materialize, and it's based on one technical workflow within an overall transformation. But the reality is most of these projects, if not all of them, require a lot more work and effort and elapsed time and budget than what is involved with technology. In other words, there's things like business process improvement, there's change management, there's data migration, there's architecture, there's integration, all these things you've got to do within your project that extends the timeline that a software vendor might give you. So when a software vendor comes in and says, we can implement this phase of work for 12 or 18 months or whatever it is, you have to assume that it is a wildly incomplete and inaccurate assumption or an inaccurate plan or proposed plan, because they haven't included all those other components of the project that are so critical to success. And the real problem comes when they assume that it's a 12-month project, let's say, and they staff up the project for 12 months and they put, say, 20 people on the project for 12 months. When that project turns into an 18-month project, which it was always going to, then that 18-month project blows the budget, because now you've got that same run rate that you were doing for 12 months is now extended to 18 months, and the only person that benefits is the software vendor and the implementation partner. You're the one stuck holding the bill as a result of that. So having realistic expectations and realistic assumptions up front, and having someone objective that can come in and objectively help you understand what it's really going to take to get the job done, not just to tell you what you want to hear. We all want to hear it could be done in 12 months or 18 months or whatever the number is. But the reality is it won't get done, and it's not going to get done well in that period of time. So you need someone objective that can help you with that. And that's where companies like ours at Third Stage Consulting can help.